Welcome everyone. This is me, Mohammad Manarul, assistant teacher in English at Cesar Buljan High School, Shunatara Bogora. Dear viewers, hope that you are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Okay, today I also take a new class or bring a new class. This class is very important. The class topic name is change the sentence according to direction, changing sentences. This class is for class 6 to 12. Okay, as well as those who are interested to sit for different types of competitive exam. Dear viewers, I don't follow my time, so let's start our class. Okay. Yeah, also give 5 types of questions of the changing sentence, and at the right side different types of direction has given. So this direction, according to direction, we should give the answer. Okay. Question number A. English is one of the most used languages in the world. Okay. Maybe comparative. How can we use comparative or turn into comparative? Okay. At first, subject and verb, then comparative from more. It is a superlative, then turn into comparative and used, then most languages in the world. Okay, dear viewers, I think you have got it. Yeah. Then most other languages. Okay, dear viewers, I think you have got it. English is more used than most other languages. Okay, dear viewers. Yeah, other will be detest. That's an extreme story. Okay, English is more used than most other languages in the world. You may use than all other instead of one of the. Okay, I think you have got it. Question number B. It is spoken all over the world. How can we give the answer active voice? Okay. Yeah, we cannot find any kind of object. So we should take a object, people, or we, or different type of someone. Okay, people. Maybe auxiliary verb will be deleted. That is why the first person from should be present. Okay, speak. And the subject form will be objective form, it, and extension. World, over the world. Dear viewers, I think you have understood it. Okay. Then question number C. English helps us to get a good job. Okay. Passive voice. How can we give this? It is very easy. Here we find object us and we turn into the subject from we. Then here is no auxiliary verb, so we should use auxiliary verb are, because it is a present form, so we should use the be verb, of course, present are, and then the verb principal verb will be turned into past participle helped, and the extension maybe to get a good job, and then you used appropriate preposition by, to, or with. Okay, yeah, always we use by, and the subjective form will be turned into objective. Okay, English. Okay, dear viewers, I think question number C will be clear. Okay. Question number D. We should learn English properly. Make it imperative, dear viewers. Yeah, you can find that. How can we give the answer imperative form? Okay, it is maybe answered in 2 ways. Number 1, let, then subjective form will be objective, let us, then principal verb, English properly. Okay, properly. Or you maybe give the answer, learn English properly. Learn English properly. I think you have got it. Okay, both of them right, but it is very clear. Okay, I wish I were born in an English speaking country! Exclamatory. Okay, how can we give the answer? Okay, yeah, I wish. I also discussed this type of question about the changing of sentences. Here also I am giving the answer easily. Okay, if then extension I, were born in an English speaking country. Okay, dear viewers, I think you have got it. Okay, dear viewers, today this class, of course, valuable or important for your next time. Okay, tomorrow I will bring a new class on the topic of changing sentence. Dear viewers, please pray for me as I also pray for you. Stay safe, stay well. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.